Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ford Bronco Goat Mode. Start by shifting to 4 low if conditions demand more torque, select Goat Mode on the Drive Mode dial, and engage crawl control for steady throttle management. Keep steering smooth, pace slow, and use spotter guidance when needed. Remember that tires and ground clearance matter, so choose lines that avoid sharp rocks and deep ruts for safe vehicle recovery. In this video, I will explain how to use Ford Bronco Goat Mode. Begin with the vehicle stationary, engage the parking brake briefly, then shift into 4WD low if required and rotate the terrain selector to Goat Mode. Use the dash to adjust crawl speed to match obstacle severity and practice modulating steering while the system holds throttle. Stay ready to override with the accelerator or brake, and always maintain a safe spotter when visibility is limited. In this video, I will explain how to use Ford Bronco Goat Mode. Approach obstacles slowly and let Goat Mode manage torque distribution while you focus on steering lines. Keep RPMs low, avoid jerky inputs, and use crawl speed adjustments to fine-tune progress over each obstacle. If tires lose bite, back down and choose an easier line or winch if required. Always inspect the path on foot when uncertain and wear gloves when handling recovery gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.